Good afternoon. This is Luke Thomas Holmquist here, the Earthquake Forecast Center, quakeprediction.com. And let's review what's been happening over the last few days. We were forecasting an earthquake to hit northwest of Los Angeles. And we got a 3.2 northwest of LA and west of LA, a 3.2 as well. However, the data was showing let me show you the graph here. The data was showing about a 4.2. As you can see, the top graph, there's these graphs over at quakeprediction.com. You can see the magnitude risk is on this graph, and the one below it is the overall percentage for the last few months, at least using this format. So we were looking for a 4.2 to hit, and it was a 3.2. Now, coming up on the September 6th, which is early in the morning, about 12 hours from now. It's, by the way, it's Tuesday, September 5th today, and 2:09 in the afternoon, 2:09 p.m., September 5th, Tuesday, 2023. And so we're looking for a 4.8 earthquake is likely in the warning area on September 6th at 2 in the morning. So anytime 12 hours before that or after that or within that time period. And that is for this forecast area up here, northwest of San Francisco, or down here near the Salton Sea and San Diego. That is for this peak right here, the first one, which is late tonight or early tomorrow on the 6th, 2 in the morning. Now, this is the forecast model that we're currently using. It works really well on most of the earthquakes, like 95% of them. 4.9 hit back here on the 10th, 3.0 on this peak, 4.5 off the coast with this one, 3.6 on the spike and risk here. And, excuse me, we're looking at a 4.8 earthquake is possible within 12 hours of 2 in the morning on September 6th. And that's this forecast map here. You can see this quakeprediction.com, Northwest California or down near the Salton Sea. And then a much stronger earthquake is around tomorrow evening around 11 p.m. So within 12 hours of that as well. So 12 hours before. So with like 11 a.m. on the 6th through 11 a.m. on the 7th. Centered around 11 p.m. on the 6th of September, looking for about a 5.0 earthquake is likely in northwest California, and the risk is pretty high in San Francisco Bay as well there, and then down near San Diego or Salton Sea, also a risk there as well. And we had called for a significant earthquake to hit near Tokyo on the 5th. We had a spike in risk at that time. You can see that risk peaked here on the 5th, and they actually got a 4.9 and a 4.5 and a 4.4 in that warning area here for that forecast. So you can check those out at quakeprediction.com for the Japan forecast as well. But for California, looking for a significant earthquake around 2 in the morning on the 6th. And another spike in risk right there is around 11 p.m. on the 6th. That's the next peak there. And that could produce a 5.0 or larger in Northwest California right there, centered around 11 p.m. on September 6th. So once again, we have about 263,000 followers, 18 years of research. Again, those are our Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. And this forecast model is using how much stress is in the magnetic field. And it works very well, especially on the stronger ones. The stronger ones are actually easier to predict than the smaller ones. The bigger earthquakes are easier to predict than the smaller quakes. Because when that magnetic field gets very stressed, it's very easy to pick up. So we will definitely be on top of any large earthquake in the future, Now we're looking for a strong earthquake around a 5.0 in Northwest California. Again, on September 6th at around 11 p.m., about a 4.8 earthquake around 2 in the morning on September 6th. Stay tuned. We have figured out how to forecast earthquakes here at quakeprediction.com, and we've been around for 18 years of research. Thank you so much, and we will talk to you after the quake. Thank you.